tell you that's what I like. That's what I like. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we're still happy to have you. Thanks for being here. Be the encourager, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. We'd love to have you around. We're working towards 800 where we're gonna do a nice giveaway. And yeah, anyway, first, before I talk about my Ipsy and what's in my Ipsy bag, I want to show you a couple new things I got that I'm wearing. This is Jessie's Girl. It's a new lipstick, and this is the color Angeleous, like Los Angeles. Look how smooth it is. Unreal, isn't it? It's so pretty. This is a nice plum color. Man, oh man, I am loving it. This is the first one of the new lipsticks I've tried. I am loving it. The other thing I have, which is new, is Esqido has made some, you know, I wear their mink lashes all the time. Well, Esqido has made some synthetics, and these, oh, well, that doesn't show you much. These are called Heart and Soul. They are UniSyn. These are the gorgeous lashes. These are so soft. They are so silky. It feels like touching underwear. I mean, not cotton granny panties. I mean the good underwear. These feel like touching underwear. They're so soft and lightweight. They're incredible. You should check them out. They also have the best glue on the market, if you ask me. It's the best glue I've ever used. It doesn't goop up, and it's not just a mess to get off, and it applies the lashes so well and gives a really strong hold. Really love it. But anyway, you're here for Ipsy. Let's get into it. This is the Glam Bag. I already know because I've looked. And then when they send you those, do you want to know what's in your bag things, I can't help but look. I don't remember what's in it, but I do know that there should be markers because this bag is colorable. Oh, 2 markers. 2 markers. Okay. They're good colors. I love a neon yellow and hot pink together. The idea is that you can color your bag, you can post it online, and if you're one of the chosen, one of the Ipsy creators will color a bag and send it to you. Now, how cool is that? Because they're getting paid to sit and color. I mean, is that not a dream come true, getting paid to sit and color? Well, that's like being a makeup artist, right? Okay, so let's see what's in there. This says create, and that's what makeup is all about. It's about creating. I'm not going to read the whole thing. Blah, 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 blah. This month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art. All for that. Oh, I have a large shadow brush. Scony. I haven't heard of that brand. Look, it's got a bronze ferrule. That's pretty. It's a nice flat shader. It's a synthetic. This will be good for cream application, like it'd be really good for concealer under here. I'm not sure what I'll use it for. Probably concealer. Concealer, creams, pushing a creamy highlight up here. Yeah, okay. It's a brush. You know I love brushes. What is this? A Hava Purifying Mud Mask. Okay. I do like 5 makeup tools or makeup items, and I don't usually use the skincare, but I will pass this along. So cute, Winky Lux. Their stuff is so cute. Let's see what it is. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, it's a shadow. It's a nice creamy satin. Whoa, it's really creamy. Oh, it's got an opalescence. Oh, now we're talking. Yes, give it to me. Oh, that's so pretty. Keeper. And then we have a Douche. I think I might already have this. This is a Freematic eyeshadow. This looks like a color I might already have. It's a brown color. It doesn't say, oh, Ariana. No, the one I have is probably a little bit more red than this. Let's look at it. It's a nice standard satin brown. I probably shouldn't have swatched it because I'm probably not going to use it. I probably will pass this on to someone. It would be good in a freestanding palette that you have, a magnetic palette or whatever. I like a darker brown. I don't know that I would use this. And then the last thing, wait, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, I guess there is 5 samples plus the markers. I was thinking they were counting the bag as a sample, but plus the markers. Okay, this is Tarte Sex Kitten mascara, or is that a liner? I don't know. Eyeliner. This is an eyeliner. Let's see. Is it a crayon? Well, I don't know, but it's a teeny tiny eyeliner. And I'll probably put that in a giveaway too. So, I love this. I don't know that I'll use this a lot. It's not my kind of brush, but it'd be really nice for putting primer on. Yeah, I'll use it for putting primer on my lids. That'd be a good brush for that, definitely. This one I'll just give to a friend because I'm not going to use this. And because it's so small, let's be honest, I'll forget about it or lose it or something. And this, I will probably try this because I want to see if it's any good and if I want to buy the full size. So there you have it. Your colorable, customizable Ipsy bag. This is a little bit bigger than the usual bags, which is really nice because sometimes they're really small. Oh look, Ipsy by Pixi Wit. Ipsy by Pixi Wit. Cute. Love my Ipsy. This Winky Lux, girl, going right into my stash. Thanks for coming and watching my Ipsy bag unboxing. I hope that you'll subscribe and hit that notification button. Be the encourager. And until next time, bye.